Hello and thanks for joining me. This is going to be an instructional quick how-to on how to log into schooldata.net, which is our high school and beyond plan platform. You'll be using this throughout your 4 years with the Bellingham School District High School, and you're going to use it to try and map out your 4 years and beyond. So you're going to use it to monitor graduation and do some other things. So today's the introduction to that, and we have two goals. Goal one is to sign in and get familiar with it. And then goal two is to go ahead and fill out an assessment about ourselves to get going in the career exploration portion of this. And then you're going to continue to use this with other Bellingham School District adults to help guide you through high school and beyond. So here's the link. It's under Technology Systems, schooldata.net. It's also in the weekly agenda, week 5, activity 4. So go ahead and click, and then that should open a browser, as I can see here. I'm already signed in, so my credentials have been saved, but you're going to use your Office 365 credentials to go ahead and sign in here. And basically, it has a step-by-step tutorial to guide us through what we're doing. So go ahead and just read these quickly. Basically, we're using this to plan for our future. We're going to explore the career planner today with the self-assessment. You're going to work with your counselor and other individuals to do your 4-year plan. And then you're going to use it to track your credits and make sure you're on track for graduation. And then identify some of the skills you want to obtain early on, help with your resume, and get you into college readiness or training readiness for the next steps. And let's go ahead and go. So you can click, please don't show this again. I left mine on just so I can use the tutorial video. So let's go right here. Here's our main interface. Yours should look very similar to mine, or at least I hope so. And then here's all those categories I just went through. They all have a quick video to go with it. So I'm going to allow you to spend 3 to 5 minutes to go ahead and explore this. So go ahead and pause this tutorial video and try and sign into your high school and beyond, schooldata.net, and click on one of these to go ahead and navigate. Thank you. All right, now that you have explored for a little bit, we're going to come over here and do something very specific. We're going to come over here to the career planner on the left-hand side. And again, it gives us this tutorial. We're going to learn about ourselves today, so that's our self-assessment. I'm going to go through these quickly as you can read them at your own pace. And the first thing we're going to do is we are going to learn about ourselves. We can click over here, or we can come down here and we can see the whole map. The goal isn't to do every one of these today. By time we're a junior and senior, we're going to be starting to look for programs and find schools and apply for them. And then this is where our portfolio is as well, also over here on the left-hand tabs. And you can do a resume feature in there too. All right, I'm at 3 minutes, so I'm going to hurry up. Take self-assessment is what I clicked on, and then now I'm going to go through and I'm going to click on these different attempts. So start here in this tab, preferences, and then we're going to move to interests and skills, and then we're going to have some results to look at. So this is where the video is going to conclude. Click on attempt and go ahead and go through this questionnaire. Thanks for watching this week. Make sure you go back to the OneNote to see how to turn this in.